Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device is charged and reachable. Once done, back up any unsaved work. Open Settings and go directly to Security or Lock Screen. This is where lock timing lives. Tap Screen Lock Type and choose Password or PIN now. You need an active credential to set timing. Once selected, enter a strong password using a mix of letters and numbers. Make sure to remember it or store it in a password manager. Now you configure the actual timeout. In Security or Display Settings, find Screen Timeout or Auto Lock and pick a delay like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes depending on security versus convenience. Then enable Require Password on wake or after sleep and set 0 seconds for immediate locking if you need strict protection. If the device offers Trusted Devices or Smart Lock, decide whether to exclude those situations. Make sure exceptions are intended. Finish by testing immediately. Lock the screen and wait for the timeout to confirm the password prompt shows. You should re-enter the password to ensure it's accepted. If it fails, check keyboard or autofill settings. Make sure secure startup or encryption options aren't conflicting. If the timeout doesn't apply, reboot the device and recheck settings. If problems persist, reset lock settings or remove and re-add the password. This often clears faulty policies or cached exceptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.